Hi Leo, welcome to my channel. This is mainly the reading for people who are not talking, if you're not in talking terms with their partner, who have had a breakup, or you really want to know what's going on with your partner. So these messages are, this is just a sneak peek into their mind. The energies will tell you what are they thinking and what should you do. Please keep in mind these are general readings, and if it resonates with you, well and good. If not, then you can watch your moon sign, sun sign, and your rising. Rising is the sign. You can check on Google. You will get to know how to check your rising. What is your rising if you're not sure? Moon sign also, Google will help you out, because all this make up a whole package. Then if sun sign doesn't resonate. All right. I hope you can see the cards. All right. Okay. So Leo, what you don't see is the King of Pentacles. See, this person really thinks highly of you. This person thinks you are the one. This person is if you guys are not in touch, they are very sad about it. And they really want things to change, and they really want you to be the wish fulfillment, the star in their life, the ultimate, the one. And they are very, but right now, if I see, feeling wise, they are full of love for you. They really know but right now, I think they don't want to put any effort because of what has happened between you two. They really are in the Empress energy, wherein they feel that yes, I do love this person, but I think I have given much more than this person has given me back, and much more than probably I have ever got from this connection. And right now, their intuition, or I won't say intuition. They really want to focus on themselves. They are really in the zone wherein they are focusing on themselves. King of Pentacles is like they might be focusing on their money, if so to say. Let me see if they will communicate. What will they say in the near future? What are they bound to tell you in the near future? Okay. So yes, so Leo, they bound to tell you that whatever you offered them, or whatever you were giving them, was not enough for them. That's why they walked away, because this is what they deserve. This is Ace of Cups, a lot of love, because they gave you that. They gave you all, and you gave them very little. Too little, and that's why they are happy walking away, because they feel that you don't value them as you should. What do you think about them, Leo? How do you feel about them? Let's check it out. Let's see how you feel about them. So I think okay. See, you feel that they are your perfect match. I think what they feel about you, you feel the same about them. But you are stuck. You feel that this is the person that is my princess, is my queen. This is my king. This is the person that I should be spending my life. This is my right match. This is the energy that you feel about them. But you don't know what to do, because you are somewhere stuck. Let's see where are you stuck. What do you feel? Okay. See, you do want them. You feel that they're very, you have a lot of passion, emotions for them. You do see. When you think about them, you think, oh my God, what would, how would we be together? We would have a future together and all that. But you don't want to offer them. You are stuck. You don't want to, either you don't want to take the offer, or you don't want to give this offer. Why is that? Because you both are feeling equally for each other, but there is a stuck energy. See, there are a lot of cups, a lot of emotions. This person definitely is very sad. They feel that they have worked hard for nothing. They feel that all their hard work is just, I think they're very disappointed, and they feel that it's just right to just leave it as it is and not. But yes, they do have a lot of emotions in their heart. What would they say if they come to you? What would they say if they come to you? What would they say if they come back to you? Yeah. So they will tell you that stop fighting with me, stop fighting with your emotions which you have for me, stop being stuck in this energy. Two of Wands is a very indecisive energy, Or, if I see from your point of view, you have a plan, but you don't know when that plan will be fulfilled, right? So they would, if they come back to you, they will tell you that, if you really want, see, there's a perfect match. If you see, there's a Queen of Wands, King of Wands, King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. So you definitely, I think this is a soulmate connection, because not many times these matches come perfectly. But they are quite upset with you. They really, I think they are picking up their battle and moving away. Earlier they used to fight with you, demand, and wake you up that why don't you tell me, why don't you speak out and all that. But I think they really are looking back at you and thinking, this person isn't moving anywhere, this person isn't deciding anything, so let me go away. Because they want you to come with this offer, because you feel that they are the Queen of Wands. Like I said, you have passion for them, and they also do have passion for you, they do have emotions for you. But until unless you come with this offer, they are happy going. Let me see. I will take out one card. What is the future of this connection? A yes or a no? What is the future of this connection, spirits? King of Cups again. So, the future, Ace of Wands. You both will, I think, soon, you both will end up being together. How? I don't know. When? I don't know. But there is a lot of love from both the sides. I don't know what is the hindrance. I don't know why are you not going towards them. But you will end up going towards them, because I think your cup will overflow of emotions, and you will decide, okay, now enough is enough. I'm missing him or I'm missing her, and let me go. So all the best to you. Keep watching my channel for more updates.